If you frequently visit the same URL, you might consider pinning this URL right to the taskbar so you can access it quickly. You can do it right from your browser. Keep in mind though that different browsers have different capabilities allowing you to do that, and you might accomplish the same goal differently, for example in Chrome and in Edge browsers.
Chrome browser allows you to put shortcut on a desktop that will open Chrome with particular URL. To do that, let's navigate to cnn.com. And once you're on the page, what you can do, you can just drag and drop the URL, and you see I'm doing it slowly. Windows allows you to drag and drop it on the desktop. Now if I close Chrome browser and double click on this, it will open the link in the browser as well from the desktop. Windows Edge browser behaves a little bit differently. To put the link right onto the taskbar, you can do it in Microsoft Edge. You click on the menu and you choose the option pin this page to taskbar, and you see the page is right here. Now you can close the browser, and if you need to quickly navigate to msn.com, you can just click on the icon and msn.com will be opened up in Edge browser. What are the other features of Windows 10 you use on a daily basis? Can you please post them in the comments of this video so we all can learn? Thank you very much.
If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel.
Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.